So you can see here that I got an animation that I made in last lesson. So if I were to play it, you can hear that there's some music that I added. So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to go over here into music panel right here. So I'm going to click on music, and here's the music that I added for this animation right here. You can see that over here there are some free musics that you can use. For example, let's say I want to use the scareful scene right here and the thematic, and to preview it I can press the play button. So let's say this is not the music I want to add in, so I'm going to add in something like uplifting right here. So I'm going to press the play button. Yes, so this is the music I want. So I'm going to click this and it'll apply the music onto this file right here. So it is actually loading out, as you can see, and I can also adjust the volume of the music right here according to what I want. So once the processing has been done, you can see a proper tick mark right here. So I'm going to play the music. And you can see that that music has been applied. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross this out. So what I want to do is upload my own picture as well. In order to do that, you simply click on Add My Music, and over here you'll be able to browse and upload any MP3 file of your choice. Or WAV file, but MP3 is what we suggest because that is actually low in size, or AAC, which is low in size. So you can choose any music of your choice. I'm going to choose 8-year anniversary right here, and I'm going to press open. So it'll add my song onto the my songs list, as you can see, and it is replacing my song that I chose in just a while ago. So it is adding my song over there, it is uploading, and you can see that it has been uploaded. So I can preview this. Alright, and if I were to play this now, it'll play along with my video. So it's loading. So it is loading the music actually. So it is processing the video so that it's ready for me to play. So you can see that now my animation feels completely different because of the audio that I chose. So that is how you can work with music inside of Adobe Spark. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.